Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a Lalylala Pikachu version. It's a Lalylala doll in a Pikachu onesie. I'm going to show you step by step what that you have to do. For the nose, start with making a magic ring of 6 single crochets. For the second round, single crochet 2 stitches in 1 stitch. So 1 and 2. Continue this until the end of the row. For the third round, single crochet every stitch. So just 1 single crochet in every stitch. Continue until the end. In round 4 we are going to decrease every stitch. You do this by single crocheting 2 stitches together all around. Now the nose is done, so cut off the yarn and put the string inside of the nose. You don't have to fill the nose with stuffing. Now we're going to sew it on to the body. Here you can see how I sew it onto the face of the doll. Just go in between the stitches of the face of the doll with your needle and then go through the stitches of the nose. Now we're going to make the tail of the Pikachu doll. So first we start with a knot with a stitch on it, and now we're going to pull through 4 times the yarn, so we make 4 loose stitches. So you just take the yarn and pull it through just like you would make a magic ring, but now we don't make it in a ring. In round 2 we will single crochet every stitch, and at the end we will pull through 1 loop. Round 3 is the same like round 2. We single crochet all, and at the end we pull through 1 loop. In round 4 we're going to single crochet 2 stitches and then pull through 1 loop. In round 5 we will single crochet 2 stitches and then add 3 loose ones. In round 6 we will start with 4 single crochets, and we single crochet through the loops that we added at the last row, then end with 1 loose. In round 7 you have to single crochet every stitch, and at the end of this row we will switch to brown yarn. In the next round we will single crochet 2 stitches in brown. This is the last round of the tail. In here we're going to single crochet the 2 stitches in brown, and then we're going to pull the yarn through and attach it to the body. We will sew the tail on top of the first brown stripe. You do this by going through the stitch somewhere in the middle of the stripe and then going through the stitches from the tail. When that's done, hide the threads. So this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed these videos. If you did, leave a like and please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials on crocheting. Goodbye!